rather lengthy intro, let me tell you a bit about what today's vlog is all about. Well, welcome to the vlog, by the way. Maybe we should start there. But today I'm missioned all the way out to Wembley. Back here's Wembley Stadium, actually. You can see the famous arch up here. And the reason I came out here is because I got invited to come out and have a fun day out in return for Instagram promotion. Now, this YouTube channel is all about showing you behind the scenes of what I do, part of my Instagram journey as well as my photography journey as a wider career as well. So this is very much part of that, and I thought that would be the perfect opportunity to show you behind the scenes of what this is all about. So once you start building a bit of a following on Instagram, you sometimes get a lot of invites, and one of these today is to a shopping mall, just to showcase that in return they get promotion, but I'll get a shopping voucher. So by the way, this YouTube video is entirely unsponsored, that's totally on me, but the Instagram posts I will be doing is of course in return for a shopping voucher, which is a pretty good deal actually. Here we are, here to do some shopping, but also to explore some other parts of town, because often in my vlogs I'm always shooting the landmarks like Big Ben, Tower Bridge, London Eye, etc., which is all zone 1 in London, but right now we're in zone 4 of London, which is a little bit more on the outskirts, and you get to see something different as well, so that's kind of cool. So let's head over up here to see where all the action is, and I'll tell you a bit more as we go along. Part of the brief, as in what I need to post on Instagram, was that I need to photograph one of the Christmas decorations, and I think this is one of them. This is called the Light Maze. That's an installation they've set up. Obviously now mid-afternoon, it won't look as spectacular, but we're 2 hours away from sunset, and then when it gets dark, when this is lit up, it should look pretty cool. So that's one of the things I might be able to photograph, but I'll still check out the other Christmas celebrations and then pick on which one will make it onto my Instagram feed. So I think that's actually kind of cool brief anyway, because I've been photographing the Christmas lights a lot in London, and I think the most spectacular ones are and remain Regent Street by far. But it's nice to try something different and see some other parts of town and see what they have going on decoration-wise as well. So can't wait to explore a bit of that and see something different for a change. I did some location scouting on Instagram, and I think their Christmas tree is pretty interesting too. So let's see if we can go find that.
Few inches later.
First activity of the fun afternoon out is right here at Black Sheep Coffee, and we're going to be learning how to pour the perfect latte. So let's head inside and get coffee drinking. I always love to drink coffee anyway, so this is the perfect activity for me. And yeah, I'm going to try to pour a latte, and I can't promise if it will be any success, but I've always wanted to try this anyways. Attempt number 1 was a dismal fail, but luckily thanks to the pro barista over here I do get try number 2, so this is the one, I'm feeling it. Postmodernism in a coffee cup, of course. A modern classic. A new take on the coffee art design, but I think your job security is much greater than mine right now. I'm not buying for your spot anytime soon. I'll stick to being an accountant and a photographer and leave the coffee for you. It is a bit later now and substantially more darker. We're in the middle of the blue hour, and this would be the perfect time, of course, to start taking some photos of some Christmas installations. And take a look at this one. But hopefully that won't reflect in the photos. Right now we're looking at the light. This is the one I showed you guys earlier, and just look at what a difference it makes when it's fully lit up at night. Check this out. Isn't that just beautiful? So, camera's ready, and this is going to be one of the first photos I'm going to be taking, and I'm just trying to set up my composition right now. And the things I'm thinking about is, what is the backdrop? I want to photograph more than just the light box. So let's see what the options are. Got a supermarket in the background, some apartment buildings, or why not all these Christmas lights as well for trees? I think that's the preferred choice. And I'm going to line up my shot and think about the perspective I want to go for. Is a wide angle lens the best? Or perhaps telephoto or something in between? Whatever frames the box best with these trees is the key question with the lens, rather than how close you stand to the box itself. So that's the technicalities aside, but yeah, let's try to see if we can photograph this. I mean, it sure does look good for starters. Okay, so this is the setup I've opted for, the 35mm wide angle lens, which is semi-wide but not crazy wide. And what that allowed me to capture was this light box back here, a little bit of the trees, but also I was able to frame in the top of the arch. And I think that's a very complete picture, in my opinion, at least the best I can think of right now. And I think photos looking pretty good. So always loving a bit of Christmas vibe, especially the more funkier the better. And results are pretty good, but you judge for yourself. Here it is. Second item on the shot list today is the Christmas tree. Do check this out. But it's incredibly challenging to photograph right now because it's very windy, and with the Christmas tree moving so fast, it's very difficult to capture because you need a very fast shutter speed to get the picture frozen. Otherwise, if you use a slow shutter speed, which you typically do need at night, you'll get a lot of motion blur into the Christmas tree. So kind of difficult to strike a balance between the two, which is why I've opened the aperture up really fast, really wide, to get as much light in, and then thus use a faster shutter speed. And hopefully the shots turn out good. But yeah, really tricky because you have to time the wind, make sure the Christmas tree is somewhat reasonably still, and then fire your shot with slow enough shutter speed to pull off a night shot at the same time. So very difficult, but anyway, I think I got something workable.
Hi guys, I'm Tanika from Wembley Park. We are here on a very windy Saturday today. We cannot wait for you guys to come down and see it. Check it out.
For the third and final light installation that's in today's shooting brief, it's the star box right here, and this is the one I was looking forward to the most actually. I just think that looks stunning, and the composition I've opted for actually. Oh, hang on a sec. I've been waiting like crazy because every time I try to get the shot, a new family arrives and wants to take photos of all their toddlers and loved ones and selfies. So I've been having to wait really patiently to get the shot, and it just finally cleared up. So got the shot away, and hopefully it's a good one. Really been a test of patience because, as you can imagine, this being so beautiful, it's extremely popular, and everybody's trying to get their own take on it. And unfortunately, as I often find the experience in London, is you can stand there for tripod, but nobody cares. They just go stand right in front of you. But I think I just got the shot. Feeling good about it. So which of the three light installations did you like the most? Did you like the light maze we checked out in the beginning, the cool Christmas tree with the arena in the background, or the Starbucks right here? Which one is your favorite? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below. And that marks the end of this vlog right now actually. Taken all the Christmas light decorations I really wanted to get a good shot of, and now I'm going to head into the shopping mall right here and put that shopping voucher to some great use. So thanks for watching, thanks for sticking through to the end of this video. If you want to see more videos just like this, Christmas adventures and lots of adventures over London photographically, do hit that subscribe button below, and I'd also appreciate your support with a like and a comment, and I hope to see you in a future video. Good night for now.